Hi, I am Aya. Subscribe Aya Cartoons for more videos.
In the small town of Maplewood, where the leaves danced and the squirrels chattered, lived a determined little squirrel. One sunny morning, high up in the tallest maple tree, a shiny acorn caught Sam's eye. Sam began climbing the tree, his paws slipping on the thin branches, determined to reach the acorn. Lily noticed Sam's struggle and hopped over, offering her help to reach the shiny acorn. Together they gathered sticks and leaves, hoping to build a ladder and reach the tantalizing acorn. Their ladder couldn't support Sam's weight, collapsing and sending them back to where they started. Just as they were about to give up, a loud cawing sound echoed through the forest. Charlie, the wise old crow, came to their rescue. Charlie gracefully soared to the top of the tree, using his beak to carefully grab the shiny acorn. Instead of giving it to Sam, Charlie dropped the acorn. It fell into a small crack in the ground. Sam and Lily realized the acorn had fallen into a crack. With their paws and determination, they dug and dug until they found it. Their faces beaming with joy, Sam and Lily celebrated their victory, knowing that with determination and the help of friends, anything was possible. Holding the shiny acorn in his paws, Sam smiled. He realized that the journey was tough, but with determination and friends, they could accomplish anything.